There was so much inertia from that monstrous signal in the stock market late last week. And of course, you probably like first thing Monday morning, you probably had a whole bunch of people scrambling and margin calls and all that kind of stuff. Interesting. Not quite a bear div on the MACD, but just a very interesting looking M pattern there. Willie Stupid. I guess the only thing that's missing to make this an L Tangonator is if that histogram was just slightly lower than that high, then it would have been an outright L Tangonator. I mean, the scary thing about this is you can see there is the W that put the bottom in. Could we get, we've had, this is almost like an inverse image of this, eh? Let's see if I can do that. If we went, like, let's go, say, there to there. And we flip this around. I mean, mirror, actually, that's probably what I want. Yeah, that's what I want. So, what happens if we go boom like that? So pretty close. So what this means is, and if anything, it would make sense that, they spend the rest of the day sort of working the market lower. Then it's sort of like buy the rumor, and if we just did a fib, there's the M top from that low back up to the high. A good old BFF. I think I'm liking that BFF name now. Whoops. Yeah, so let's really stretch that out. There. So look at that BFF tag, eh? Gee whiz. That might be like kind of trying to thread the needle. I would just say anywhere up in here between 70.2, the midpoint of the reload zone, and that 78.6, probably not a bad level. Somewhere up in that area there. So that means that we'll take our fib tool since we already have the top in here. Like so, right now there is the low. My hunch is, and it'd be interesting just to count how many bars this is. So from this peak right here, that's that peak. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 bars. Hey, lucky 13. So that means that if we do this and go like this and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We should hit some sort of bottom right there. Which means probably, and I don't know exactly where it is, but somewhere right in there. In fact, actually, you know what? We could probably use previous range. Let's see what that looked like. So previous range. Yeah, so the counter trend rally took us up to, all the way up to there. So actually it blasted through the most, I guess, 1, 2, 3, 4th high, and then that pivot low. Geez, that all the way down here? Maybe. Probably that low right there, So let's maybe think about something like that. Which means that tomorrow morning, I probably want to think about a trade somewhere right up in that area there. So let's keep that in mind. I'll be in the day trader room tomorrow morning, the battle stations room. And if you want to hang out and follow the frivolity, I guess that would be it there, something like that. Oh, no. What happened? Oh, there we go. It's pretty close. It's not exactly spot on, but pretty close. Something along those lines. Come on, a little higher. There we go. So something like that, which means that we should expect the pivot low and then the counter trend rally. And that should take us somewhere up in there. So what is that? 22 bars from that peak. And we are 1, 2, 3, 4 bars into 22 bars. So we still have 15 bars to go to the actual potential trade window. We'll put on here something like that. Brian's BFF. Man, I love that BFF. You know what? I have a feeling I'm going to be making a reference to this a lot going forward. Brian's favorite fib. So anyway, we'll see how that goes. And that would be interesting. So that's actually going to be heading into the close of today. I guess maybe getting ready for tomorrow.